Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer for those of you who are new here, and in today's video I am actually going to be answering a very popular question, which is the question that I get a lot is Orangetheory big girl friendly? And in all honesty, the answer to that question is yes. And I can understand the hesitation there. Actually, I think I asked my friend the same thing, not necessarily like, hey, is it, big girl friendly? I asked her when I was like at my heaviest. I asked her, I said, is this something that I could do? And she's like, absolutely. And the reason why I say yes is because the wonderful thing about Orangetheory is that if you have any orthopedic issues, or if you have any issues in general, like whatever your issues are, if your back is hurting, if your ankle is hurting, whatever, the coaches there will find an alternative workout for you to do. If you cannot run on the treadmill, walk on the treadmill. If you don't want to be on the treadmill at all because if you can't be on the treadmill at all because you have bad knees, they have other cardio machines for you to do. They have a strider, which is like an elliptical, I did that when I had a bad back. There's also a bicycle that you could do. So there are options for you to do. The hardest part about going to the gym and working out, I think, is actually just like making the move to do it. I think that Orangetheory is probably like one of the best things that happened to me, or is like happening to me during my weight loss journey. Just because like I said, the great thing about it is that there are coaches there who are like your personal trainers who will come up to you and they will modify exercises for you. So don't be afraid to try it out. If you are about my size, go in there and give it a try. I think you get 2 free classes. You're not going to regret it. You are going to love it. Orangetheory is for everyone, in my opinion. I have had back issues in the past, and all I did was tell my coach, and they had me doing something completely different that still worked out the same muscles that the rest of the class was working on. I just had to modify my exercises. So that is just one thing that I appreciate so much about that gym, is like everyone truly wants you to have the best workout ever. And if you can't do what the rest of the class is doing, that is okay. Go at your own pace. I promise you, no one is looking at you. No one is judging you. No one is paying attention to you. I promise they're not, because that was always my biggest fear. I was always like, I'm so embarrassed to go to the gym. I don't know what to do. I don't want people to like make fun of me. But they're not. They're not doing that at all. No one is paying attention to you. Everyone is there to get their workout in, to be a healthier version of themselves. I go at 5 a.m. and I am just there to get my day started. It sets the tone for my day. I love it. It's hard waking up in the morning, but once I'm there, I just feel so accomplished because I'm like, dang, it's 6 a.m. and I already worked out and I'm about to get my day started. So I really, really love it. And like I said, I think it's for everyone. Give it a try. Don't be afraid. You got this. So yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions. So you can also reach out to me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram linked at the bottom of this video. You can send me some questions. I'll answer my DMs. Yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, and also really quick, don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel. I do have a giveaway going on right now, so if you're interested, go check it out. I will leave that giveaway video linked in the description, or the little, what is it called, annotation? Don't judge if that's not right. So yes, don't forget to check it out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.